right, so we are on to a little tougher slope-intercept form equations now. What I did yesterday and what you did yesterday, hopefully, was take these things and put them in the right order to get y equals mx plus b. Now today, they're going to be a little bit more, one more step. Yesterday, if you recall, the y value didn't have anything next to it. Now that's going to change, it's going to give us one more step. All right, so let's just take a look at this one first. Now, the first thing I want to do is just get my x value from this side over to this side. So I'm going to take this whole piece and we're going to move it over and see what we end up with here. Now I'm going to rewrite this. So this, now yesterday we were left with just y right now and we were kind of done. Now today we have a little bit more work to do because now I have 4y that's still on this side. I haven't done anything with that yet. Equals, now I'm going to write this in the correct order, negative 4x plus 20. All right? I want to write it in this order so I have my x before my number at the end. Now I'm going to get rid of this 4. Now we did one at the end yesterday that had a negative 1 up here, or a 1. I can't remember which one. But we got rid of this by dividing. I'm going to do the same thing to get rid of just the 4 and leave the y. We're going to divide by 4. But I need to divide everything by 4. So what I end up with right here is just 1y, or y, equals. Negative 4 divided by positive 4 is negative 1x. Plus 20 divided by 4 works out and I get 5. Sometimes this isn't going to work out and that's okay too. You could just write whatever the fraction is or you could make it into a decimal. I can clean this up a little bit more because negative 1x is the same as just negative x plus 5. And this would be the best I can do with that. Y equals mx plus b. So my m, this number is actually a negative 1 here. And my b would be 5. Okay, so if I come over to this one, now this one's going to turn out a little bit different at the end, going to be a little bit more goofy. Same first step, though. Notice I've got a little bit different order, and that's okay. I'm going to get rid of this x value first by moving it over to the other side. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. I end up with 3y equals. Over here, I'm going to write it in the correct order right away. It looks like that. Negative 2x plus 21. Same step as over here now. I had 4y, so I divided by 4. I am going to get rid of this 3 by dividing by 3. But something is going to happen. This goes away. I just have y, which is good, equals. Now right here, 2 can't be divided by 3. I just want to leave that as a fraction. Don't make this into a decimal. 2/3 doesn't work out very well anyway. It's a repeating decimal. So I just leave it as 2/3 x, negative 2/3 x, just like that. Plus, and then this actually works out nice, 21 divided by 3 is 7. If this didn't work out, you could either leave it as the fraction or you could make that into a decimal. This is the best we could do. That slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So this would be our intercept, and the slope would be negative 2/3. Okay? Now again, you're going to have a couple problems. I only put a couple problems on this one for you to do. The answer key is on that same folder on Schoology as well. And what we're going to start doing tomorrow is we're going to start working on a little bit of graphing with this as well.